Abushama about too much age. Mesro di mo asaba so ba my page no mi adoma no so. Sra me upload bi anso na unsa ebetumi aka. Media ne seek ebusia. There's so much so Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinim fee and after so no one saw them for about 2 weeks ni and many abema Rasad our yejuma o gin page a grante Yamame Florence Obinim an interview. Now in that interview no Yamame Florence actually mu say for some time now no oni fee na Bishop Obinim asumano be say on kodi jimi de bi enfama no bebusia okra was hasini mu ankasa pa na yese ne aware no nyema enkoyie a mentem ho asabante no Florence yese obakotan no for wa no ahwe the next move Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinim ebeteki because ebusia say uti interview na obo say in that interview Rasad ebisa ne say eterness Bishop ka say onu wujaya aware a de na obeka emo kan say Bishop I ready nko ade a onu so I ready say or the divorce no ebe ma no coming say baby na wakotan na nye Bishop and na asuma ne son kwotena ho but for some reasons into the man they call tena ho no more. Now after that interview no there are couple of informations are circulating on social media ama fo chirim say Yamame Florence no onu akasa campo a odemu a obetima ka say we ye ne car and we japade bia which me enam so ama enne me ne wo ka say SMGL Ghana for ache Yamame Florence Obinim 2026 model Toyota RAV4 a enne Yamame akoje ke yone ne man egumu a aye niji sem kese pa videos and pictures circulate on social media na ebusia some information better monte suwi no night witch any team aye live on TikTok na live ni mono ebusia in sebe pp na insane bikra epini ese ye papa honorable Canada compre Japan atini ekos no no so decide say or the support ebema Yamame Florence Obinim na ne okomu no ayaya ebusia my enjoying emano TikToker omuyeye ne concern omudi no yesu yen TV
junior ne ko tun car no but anya accident anya hwe car no wo pie si ho car no nya accident ba akokora
Bema wo twa ntro de na wale be ya pa wo
Manipulator.
o pese mi post o me ba be post wa kire mo car no
pa kokogo
car me
RAV4 luxury
oh
monko
na said that me yi ni
ai
mo pa me ba be post je wa go na kire mo enra da je wa go ni picture ba be di ni what say
Debi Obinim na say ne ba boy no free 3 days pe na kra na de ka na akopem say so Florence me control no one say o say ne ba na afre no e na wa record akra na be bo no wa sore dem ho
me suro kura wo ba recording
ai
wo ba recording
as a person proof point also me say me ya show mu wo pa ko friend Jesus Christ bra ye ka bi ma wo
isi enra say enra me say papa ba ko si me sire mo e ma me Florence ti munya no ate na say he's not making any sense here wo ba recording wo ba
Solid for na ye na oni omo na
Ojo, you're doing too much.
enra o ka say mama lo tie audio ni wo ka say won ko kira na sorry for no say wo say na mu free ma sorry dem ha wante
Okay.
o ka ni na
Ojo.
we mutine na ase nyansa ben ni nyansa papa ben pa no ka che.
be say
Get up for your mental sleep because
Ojo di na juri bomu.
yeah Obinim is not matured enough to get married
No, mature there is not.
want to trim sa
It's not.
we wash wa worry anya na de ba na ni ma papa ben pa no be ka.
na me Ghana for the me no omo ye vulnerable say asa yenim nyansa obi no edi do carry what asore dem we be say bisa
na me hu ne nkom hye bi wo enche obewu wo ka bebon wo benya loto and see that kojo chese me mama lu uni mi problem kakra na wo sisi ano upon bibi esi be maame no obenya anasa papa no obenya na nka na yere da so ye na yere o hwe because our real our divorce our real e na easy o but papa no they say they near make ka ko ide ya menya memle because unim papa no wanya body so be accept papa no according to they say ano ya no papa no de wonya enka maame no nsan cover up for her messes nsan man ho maame no cover no mo ka se me pa Ghana fo nyina achew Ghana fo mo fa me bone nche me kunu but the woman no say wo hu no say no o me cover bi mu o me cover bi mu
na dia na obeka kra e ye beka so oboa
ntie e kra ye ntie
yeah, because Mama Lu ade we da ho clay. It work there na wo cover. What are you cover? Who cover? We cover you. Asa odi wo wa to kentema wan kata so you. Ye de obepie.
Nwa kura ha obe trick pie. Na woni eno na asori ba ko panyini bi a woni na ja asori so e kasa. Se no mu o kasa pa wo se Florence no de yem fanni no na bra wa bre no say people are even coming out to say so far the whole Ghana versus Obinimu the whole
say me wo ho na menya akọ o say papa akọ bi o say no Obinim na me say some o ka kire me no me jira telephone so say wo ho me say hey
no ho meti o hwe no ho meti
Florence bi do nya mo betimi ni say the bofo ka say obi a ware safu be betimi ni jata atena e no kore
Bema
yes what be nya girl no nya broken heart now say Florence ko ka bi ma no
na woni me do otimi ye obi ono hwe me woni me shase hu so onya papa Mama Lu woni ukunu nam abontim no oba oto papa bema sa no onye so de bia opese wonya ade na bi he's not matured obinim de me meba be video na ma no me hwa de kakra but a man obi an charge kakra for the meantime no mon charge mani nkosi Friday e dey to Friday keke I'll come and do the video ochina me ba be video ne beja no ye nya no because they say ato ani bre because childish life on you too much wa wo ba kwajo oba voice be da wi asesa akosi se obewu oba no voice ebeda wi asesa akosi se oba ne bewu as a father hey
I don't know but who is he blaming
Florence Oblemu se chese Florence mintia nkwala no aje se wo no
enkro banyina bi ro enkro banyina bi enkro ko bi na tete wo mama wo fancy ayi na tete wo mo ayi fancy Messi ti me control yes sra yes ne ba panyini ni obi nim junior ne esi bu ade no from so bi ni muma no yes bu oba no kwada wa timid oba no kwada won shada nkasa kura but panyini no on seketo na obi abo no keto ne so hye kakra promise no de obobo no wo hwe ne nkura bem picture the three me ye kills to no onye rasta o o tese me ba Jordan the three me ye kills ankasa wo so no hwe the three me ye kills eti kills no enye ne se ayi mako se rasta no panyini no sister na se panyini bu ade no de ba panyini no yeso wo kasa ne se me pa chokra nka ho ntimi nkasa onya nkura sei nyankura sei na me acha wade sei wa oba voice ka na so enye hwe ka na mpem ye asore ma mama obi de mo fa ka na nyina bedro ka no empem ye se ne ye na nyina ba kokopem a ka no empem ye menya we ka na picture wa ha sei se mo pa mo ndem se mama me post ka na nkyere mo ka na empem nye hwe I don't know why yes sir and me hu saro wusu picture a video be o ye ya or cast why sorry but as obi asem ba I abutiro sa wale unko obi a ontia wale ase and when the video no I was very sad Was he afraid what hear both side of the story? Emoya.
Damage control bi how do bi kwa na wo ya emfa.
Emfa.
Damage control bi do bi na se wo ya emfa nti so ba na ba peace na nipa kora hu se wa mistake.
Emfa also obi nim no. Also Emfa. Osad, wherever you are, Mama Florence is grateful to you. You are one of the secret fighters. I also so may God bless your heart. Unim, Mamalu. I say benim kwajono mon share bibi. Edi na beba be ma be frame Florence wa me frame you Florence one fresh am say wow. Me I can prove it. Florence on fresh am say wow. Hey, some sort of woman.
They say Team Liga for I said you'll be a will be so much married. The idea,
There be media. Wow, no best Florence. So you want me to be do?
I'm saying talk away and Yakupon the fresh man. Wow, wouldn't so baby didn't attempt mamma. Maybe life, no. When I sacrifice for you with my life till death. What you are saying?
Mama Lu, I will say. Florence, you'll be a so in person, like so what you know in person. What you say she's so clean.
Very kind.
Very clean. She's so clean and kind. Like well, she's that kind of say
encounter that. Only encounter.
Well, say you're a gospel artist, you'll be busy so more over JDPC. I wanted them to bet Florence a bad thing.
Very clean. She's
down to earth. Baby, I will be called. Baby, I will be our friend. Or so they may ba. Because Obano, so they may ba, or Hefa, or their member. Say location member. This is how she is.
What him say or industry or more program on show. Sasa na no me busa man ba ko. Na obi so ba me life na be kan. O ka say Australia, mama say emfa o de adwa to be see so asori ni ntino. Hwe wonim onko program me busa ai say atenti na onko program no. Papa no person be ko program bia. Ye invite no kra na onim wonim sesi ano. Mama Florence be na me say won kasa but papa na turn no because they say voice your bobo ye. Voice enye ne babo man no. Your own blood son. Your own blood child. So Obano, Papa de Ufrifia will be here. Can so and say, I will post the car. Almost when I'm posting, but me post the car. I will post the J wagon. Miss Simon, my time, one per mass. Me post to car and rather. That Ben will video no. Some video about a bang.
And rap.
Me post to Cano and ne me sorry, say me be posted, but me say me tias about me and Symbian and Symbia me time. Mama look can in accident too. Can in accident too. Kano, any accident too. Kano cranya scratch. Kano hook pon canyon. A yaman one so could you to me form a sentence with and some with a casa. I will post the car. Maybe I may post it. We post who you make a year ago. And not than you try can picture mommy. We post watch them. Tap him on and rather. Just say, Mamelu, I say, we are no cre new yasi. I can't find no trouble, they won't say, baby. Be my wallet some yet, or be out some wallet some yet, Mamelu's wallet some yet, but I wallet some and yet, oh, to go finish, see hata.
So what they show to them say you'll be ban a wallet, and also you'll be back. It's not the baby, I know a just to try to manage your but be many go for say out me to was somebody can say me see abroad
Anenya shame Kano empemu ye entin the Kano is still J-Wagon na the last time we saw on TV no Kano nya scratch so me and I say anajono me sorry na me say hey so why Mama Malu enti ye kunu bet my tamfo bi mana and I ye bet my nkuntia does it work that way so I'm tell me bibi na me hunu bi but it me cut to the stand say publicly no kunu pese o flame ma wiase nyina hu se wonya papa because you
Opinion want to prove a point, but the point is not proven. You understand? O person prove a point. And then you na yen him shubai. Because obi no won him obi nim shubai. We a very disgraceful person. That's how he is.
na me say so man dey say awale sorry dem one about
There be o say I saw them one when a man would have. It's a moment a chance. Hey, what can be there? Gay or can say I will cry about poison. We say we didn't know.
na woni mi do oje so say so fu bubu ni gu wono ya Anita no so fu bubu Anita ka chiro bi nim no nsa twere ni mfiri so na me bubu ya le kwa de ha ye tena do kire so bubu kwa ba ntwe woka wona twere ya le para kra woni bi o setamo para kwa de woka waka bi setamo kra woni bi setamo boy bubu ni gu o si da bi wo de makwa akire
One obinim no ne like you cry say on say one Florence womba ke dwuma ye di bedi no
na nkansam so be pia bonten no na nkansam be pia bonten no te se audio so pe gumi phone so no kansam ke be pia bonten no kansam ke be pia bonten no the woman is trying her best so be kata ne so but as say ye ne den emfa bi
oh yeah phone pop and a bro for tan obinim
I'm
o
stay
bro
back
for tan o tiri ho kaka wure wate
Kane Kofi no echi. That was Tuesday, right? Kane Kofi Tuesday na nyumre.
na obinim na o hwe ne dan kwado o si apenti no as a toilet and then I was there. What I hope it is blue house, na brown house. I don't know which I said a latre bomba.
That's what. Hey, I'm stay back. I'm so why I said I was
I'm stay back. I stay back. I stay with three. So
I'm stay back. I'm stay back. I'm stay back. I'm stay back. Sam so wa uti because obi apentini dance bomba latre.
Na shower for fie no baby Nigeria for no te no.
Ya keka
bomba. But I say bomba latre.
Ya keka. Where's Stubble? And my sister Mercy. O papa cha wo su se wo sremi a. Yemfa yakudi ngu fom. Ta Mercy am ye ni interview. Se no
mama na hwan na obeka asem obetie die
chese enye ye sister Mercy enye ye na ye nti o evi audio so na e ba bonte na trigger mamo mi metete na nsem na me mfi no me no ade hold dey say me nsem mfi
o sa ka kire say wono nya de a obegya tie so ye nyai audio na wapa o se wono wonyai tie so nya de a ye begya na egya tsena ene Mercy ni Florence na obenya ewu ye nyai
so my Florence can we dey katawani kakra
Kata woni because ade na oye no ogu mani mo
and man nyina na ogu yanim ase o katawani kakra oba ya de ne so katawani wate katawani na audio na eba bonten no sister Mercy minim say sister Mercy is trying to protect and I say so say me kan o sha was na mama and sole no hwete ti ha mama pa safoni nti ye kra be jai kra mama ntina nke de be che but ye kase ye jai bia na still no a chade se yina
asole no engu
I'm still back.
Ne bro for time.
I'm still back. Hey.
I'm stay back. No, see, no, bro. Bro for time. Yes, you are going to
I'm still back.
You stay front.
I'm still back. See, I'm still back. Hey. Quite joking. car no kura ko fie no wo car no and then the first na nko be ko company wa akode ade akofie show mu that's what try bo be sia bona ro ne supporter no can the first na
Also bad day.
and the first na nko be ko company wo
You say on be bono.
but say the wo ye na adwe oh the first na nko be ko
Me say e ka umbechi na tum so. Come na tum.
oh
Hey,
na be
now
company
I say na ono ni sika I say.
the company ke to asa o
Me say kejuma mu de bedi obi nim no. Na wo say wono no obi nim say Canada Japan say me na twempena me say ama na chewa tum. Wo
na na come share je papa ken video bi I circulate say assembly na shin to be so Florence mu na me say hey me pacho SMGL Ghana
Autos.
yeah SMGL Ghana me pacho na me so mo yire mo ho mo kasa me na me de me pacho nyam na me de card ma me so ma be chire me pacho de ni de ma no mo yemfa ni de mfata me sire mo a Ghana fo ma mo change ade no me sire e be se be ha me kra yie me sire mo ani de mu ka no nyam de ma me Florence ba ku sei Debbie. Mr. Mo, ada koda Facebook ni sa ne manema no Debbie. SMGL Ghana Service bibi ayi. Ena mi be posta ye video ato ho. Obi an share, obi an posti. Wa base oba bia wo ha obi ano. Se wote ne kana kuma, oba be support. Asema papa me be post ne chat ni nyina attach. Me de ne chat ni nyina be ka ho. Mr. Mo Mama fasa ani die kese be mame Bible say yemfa die ni die fata no e ma die ese no ka no nyamea ye die be ye ne say the voice of the voiceless ye use your voice na de kasa ye ka no nyamea enya samse wa enye team leader dia ye be boa ye say we use our voice to draw Tim Sremo me hu se obi akwatwere go Mama Florence was gifted by the Night Witch and Team Liga. Debbie. The car is not from Team Liga Association. The car is not from me, Night Witch. I'm pleading, Miss Ramo. I never bought any car for Mama Florence.
Ode be video too.
Aye. Me car so kofa na Honda. We Toyota GL Toyota RAV4 me car no Honda GLV me pa chaw me sremo enye pe hwe na manfa gratitude we ya mame me na nka me toma no nka be me de pe yi but enye me sremo mun change if you know Facebook my yin sometimes me post company na ma o say why o send me higher you from SMGL Ghana Saturday nya me ya doma o china Friday na be ye video etama ye kwa ye de ka na gift no wona ne ma no company ni nyina ya kwa video ye video ma na de obese na nim beba de o gift no ye ne PRO what I say hey papa na
ye beje credit bi ama ye ho
Debbie
na me de ba ye na me ye say munya
enye team league enam team league ba biara and fire who baby biara honest speaking Mr. Remo me de no kre na me de te ha I don't want to take any credit your credit I was say from my the voice to the voiceless and I will appreciate that the voice to the voiceless juma ye be ye no we are there to help every woman we are there to support every woman car company almost they are there from best support to any obaby and wa mu to say enra me ne papa ne din kita ho no and adwene papa na mame to say I'm proud me say me body din but I'm proud of this man and I'm proud of Nayas say me friend no wa mama ni manu yasemu tu anamon e ko surprise say mama with this gift me pacho ya che the car is not going back and for advertising the ya was see twama no because the idea one no wodi na the commode no the defata no and also was Sunday. They never granted the car for the job to be advertised. Never. But rather, they deserve the advert. They deserve the name. They deserve to be mentioned. Car no, a 7 billion car. 7 to 10 billion car. A 7 to 10 billion. Anchor to 9.8 billion. Obeto car. Brand new.
Hey, no boarding.
What I say? It is wrong. Ghana for Munko Facebook, Mr. Manidium. Company near SMGL Company. SMGL. JD, Roberto Gate, the mommy hug. Tiamo, baby.
Tiamo.
Roberto Gate, the cover. And I'm about to be Pasta. Okay. Hi, bravo, okay. Oh, yes, yes, I could get him in this if you are okay. I love you.
Yes.
I'm chatting on Facebook. And I was like, no.
Now the go for person mo tro na bi ni.
There be some so you can see a massa kwan no man be Thomas.
We need to concern a man di on social media. Mesero, wa twenche bia wo bia no betima ja to the comment section dey mama. Say na menya bracken kan na free di mo. Subscribe page na mi adoma no so. Say na me upload bia so na on say betima ka.